Grapcoin wishes you a warm welcome to their YouTube channel. More Doge related news in this video. The wedge form that Doge is currently in is expanding and contracting. The recent decline appears to be a correction. The downward trend marks the completion of the diagonal of wave C, according to my Elliott wave analysis. In fact, it has begun moving in the direction of. In a polite manner. After just 3 attempts, we finally woke up and figured, okay, this could be a 1 to 2 or an A at E. We will not budge from this position. After being turned down in wave 2, we moved down in wave 3 before hitting support again and bouncing back into resistance. One more low might be in our future. The next level of support might be at 12.4 cents, 12 cents, or 11.2 cents, and we are once again in the support region. Here we are at the next level of assistance, and then the fifth wave of ascent may start. I apologize, I am keeping an eye out for it because of that. Perhaps we have already reached rock bottom. Understood, but why? That is due to the fact that the 13.6-cent target for the A wave's 100% rise has already been achieved, but simply has the ability to reverse its current course. In my opinion, both are valid. In my opinion, both are valid. In my opinion, both are valid. In that instance, we would do well to pay attention to the market signals. What does that entail? Maybe we've already touched rock bottom if we can make a clean break above the prior high of 17 cents. It's done. One could do it. If that were the case, the structure would be WXY rather than ABC, which is okay as ABCs already exist. Another way of looking at it is that traders could have begun their journey in the support zone. Another low might be on the horizon. In all likelihood, another low will occur. Will it be binding? No. Just like I mentioned before, a break above Monday's high should trigger an upward trend. For optimal results, the break should occur in 5 waves. After that, it would be even more evidence if the price broke above this trend line. Furthermore, the vast majority of our picture this wedge snaps. Obtaining the 22 to 23 centimeter base of the wedge should be the primary objective. After then, the fifth wave should ascend to one of the following Fibonacci levels, such as 28 cents or 37 cents. This would diagonally complete the larger third wave of the ocean. After that, a fourth or fifth wave could still occur. Dogecoin is a payment system that uses a. As of this writing, no other trend in the cryptocurrency market compares. Hopefully this isn't merely a head and shoulders pattern and will eventually collapse, right? You do realize that this is merely a 3-wave gathering. At this time, there is no evidence that altcoins break frequently. As long as we can maintain this support level, which ends at 11 cents, our attention will be focused on moving higher. So long as the aforementioned is useful, I will focus on going up. When the market warns me of additional negative developments, it's below 11 cents, particularly if the break is lengthy. Within the next few hours, the daily light closure will be upon us. Right now, the market is relatively calm. However, because we have descended, this isn't entirely obvious. Thanks to our efforts, we were successful. They heard us. There are just 3 waves to the ascent and the descent, respectively. Given that this is the 5th wave, the one immediately following the upswing, and A. For every 5th wave, an ABC shape is possible. Even though it's not an ABC, the 5 waves that make up the concluding diagonal are actually corrected ABC structures in subwave form. If a low is in, this might be a BB wave decline, since it could be the A wave of wave 5 or possibly a larger wave. Therefore, a C wave may be in the works if prices rise above the previous high. Expanded a wave. After that, we completed our ABC of a larger A. If that's a B, then wave C might see prices go up. I guess that's the main idea. Unfortunately, we can't always rely on wave structure alone to determine whether prices have reached bottom, and we may just want correction subwaves in this case. Our previous moves, highs and lows, must also be considered. The door ought to be closed for the time being, in my opinion. This is a good area to open for lower while we wait for a low to form. As a rule, it revolves around phrases like the low is in, or okay, maybe one more low on that point. Some uncertainty persists. And mastery of trading is a prerequisite for that. The research has to wrap up at some time, doesn't it? I believe we have now provided you with, or at least summarized, all the information that can be derived from this chart. All right, so now we'll observe how the market reacts. My opinion on Doge is that it is complete. It is my wish that the news is satisfactory to you. Then if you did, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe buttons. Pleasure to see you. Check out the Grapcoin channel on YouTube. Thank you for making it.